There we go. That is the image coming out of my quadcopter. It's coming out of the goggles and it's working. So go and check it out. Link in the video description, you can have a go of it yourself. Exciting times.